I just stumbled upon this Nutrichef 54-piece cookware and bakeware set, and it's got me seriously rethinking my kitchen setup.
Oh, really? What's got you so excited about it?
Well, it's, this massive set that includes everything from multi-size pots and pans to baking sheets and even heat-resistant tools. It's like the
Wow.
ultimate kitchen upgrade.
Wait, 54 pieces? That's a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And the best part is, it has this marble non-stick coating that makes cooking and cleaning such a breeze.
Oh, the nonstick coating is a game changer.
Right.
But is it durable? I mean, some coatings chip off easily.
Well, according to the reviews I read, most people are really happy with its durability.
Yeah,
One person even said it's held up beautifully, even with heavy use.
that's promising. But did anyone mention any issues?
Yeah. A few people did note that the non-stick coating can chip if you're not careful.
Oh, okay.
So it's important to use the right utensils, like the ones included in the set.
Makes sense. And what about the handles? Some pans get so hot you can't even touch them.
Oh, the Cool Touch handle grips are another highlight. They reduce the risk
Nice.
of burns so you can cook with confidence.
That's a relief. I hate having to search for oven mitts every time.
Exactly. And the
Yeah.
tempered glass lids let you monitor your food without lifting the cover.
Oh, I love that feature.
Right?
It keeps the heat in and helps cook more efficiently.
Absolutely. And the set is designed to work on gas, electric, ceramic, and
Oh,
induction
versatile.
cooktops. Well, except for the small egg pan and milk pot.
Interesting. But do you really need 54 pieces? Isn't that a bit excessive?
Well, you might think so, but it's like having a tool for every job.
Right.
You know how sometimes you just need that perfect size pan?
True, but storage could be an issue.
Yeah, that's
Where
a
would
good
you
point.
keep all of it?
That's a valid concern. But if
Mhm.
you're upgrading or setting up a new kitchen, it could be perfect.
Fair enough. And the price point?
It's listed at $249,999, down from $279,999.
Not bad.
For all that's included, it's quite a deal.
Yeah, that's a lot of bang for your buck. But how's the quality? Is it really a professional grade set?
From what I gather, the quality is quite good for the price. One
Okay.
reviewer mentioned it cooks evenly and cleans easily, which is huge.
Definitely. But some did
Yeah.
mention it's more of a starter set.
True, but even as a starter set, it offers so
Mhm.
much. And the knives included are apparently really sharp and durable.
Wait, knives are included too?
Yeah, it's got a knife gadget set, nylon utensil set, the
Wow.
works. It's like an all-in-one kitchen overhaul.
That's impressive. But are the utensils high quality?
Well, some people felt the utensils were a bit flimsy, but overall,
Oh.
they get the job done.
I guess you can't expect perfection at that price point.
Exactly, it's about value
Yeah.
for money, and I think this set delivers that.
I'm intrigued. Maybe it's time to upgrade my mismatched pans.
Right? It's like treating yourself to a professional kitchen experience at home.
Definitely.
And the color options are nice too. The taupe brown and blue-gray are quite stylish.
Yeah, aesthetics matter. Cooking is more enjoyable when your tools are attractive.
Couldn't agree more. Plus,
Yeah,
with the non-stick coating, you'd spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals.
that's a big plus. I hate cleaning up.
Same here. And the
Right.
set is advertised as easy to clean, even dishwasher safe.
Perfect. But what about stove compatibility? I have an induction cooktop.
Good question. It's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops.
Great.
Except for that small egg pan and milk pot, though.
Well, I can live with that. I rarely use those anyway.
Exactly. And some people did mention that the handles can get hot, so oven mitts might still be handy.
Good
Small
to know.
trade-off, I suppose.
Yeah, nothing's perfect, but overall it sounds like a solid set.
Definitely. And for the
Yeah.
price, it seems like a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchenware.
You've convinced me. Maybe I'll give it a try.
Awesome. Can't wait to hear
Mhm.
how you like it after trying it out.
I'll keep you posted. Thanks for the recommendation.
Anytime. I love sharing good finds.